Hi, I'm Kate and welcome to my channel where I show the process of creating ball-jointed dolls. And also welcome to my new project of redesigning one of my previous dolls. I am making ball-jointed dolls from clay and then cast in resin, and it's very time-consuming work because you need to sculpt the master model almost perfect, I mean design and construction wise. And also the doll should be symmetrical and have smooth surface without any bumps and roughness. So when last week I had the sudden inspiration to return to the big size dolls, I decided to go back to the one I started this channel with. I started to make this doll in 2020 and casted it in resin only 2 years later in 2022. I like that it's pretty symmetrical, has nice round joints, and I liked its size, and I especially like the mold that I will not touch. What I want to work on when resculpting this doll are the proportions of the body, some joints, and also hands and feet. To be honest, I started not from the skin but from the body part, because it gave me the hint of what proportions of the future doll I want to have in the end. After that, I've changed the skin. The doll will be longer a bit, with thinner and longer arms, and have some changes with the hip joint. As I said, the master model was made from clay. It's LaDoll Premier clay, and now I will continue use LaDoll, but just the regular series, as I find it better to work with. I start with the hip joint. The biggest change I wanted to make is to place the joint upside down, so that the small ball will be on the top. I guess this construction is more classic in overall doll designs. I need to make the hole for the joint smaller, so I just put some material to fix the joint inside. Meanwhile, I sculpt the top part. The initial doll is very skinny, so I've added some volume. Again, I just put some clay on the doll and roughly sculpt it. The details are not the priority on this stage. I try to make rough assembling often. Making ball-jointed dolls means you are working with separate parts of the body, so it's hard to see the full picture and it's easy to slip on the proportions. So these middle assemblings give the sense of the full doll and helps to find its flaws early. On this stage, I primarily start with carving, so that way I work faster. As part of the redesigning the doll, I am also changing its feet and hands. The hands I will show you in my next video, and the feet I start making from the dummies. I will refine the size and symmetry, and only after that proceed with fingers. After carving, I use rough sanding paper. I don't need any clean final results for now, just need to check the full picture and symmetry of the joints and the silhouettes. I use the dust collector and the mask on this stage because sanding produces a lot of dangerous microdust. It is also always a good idea to use the gloves. There's magic going on when sanding, when you start seeing the glimpse of the final result already. The rough sanding paper makes the surface smooth and velvet, and you can almost see how the doll would look like in the end. That are all the changes I have done on this week, and there are many, and I continue sanding and carving and changing the doll. And I already have the video material to show to you, so stay tuned on my new project of redesigning the doll. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon! Bye!